like some silence in here if you want
Ja,
to.
vi har kun set en.
Jeg vil ikke.
Vi glemte jeres bolde.
Hi, I'm standing here with Henriette Lyng Nielsen from the 92 group. And Henriette, what are you doing?
We're having an event called Tune a Polar Bear to show how the future will be without snow, and then the polar bear will die. Then we have made cans to polar bear, and bulbs will be CO2.
And how do you think this is going to help?
It will help us to make the understand of how we're killers, to kill Mother Earth in a fun and enjoying way.
Okay, and do you think the politician is noticing this?
Yes, it makes a lot of noise, and they'll come over and people are yelling, and then it's fun. It's a fun way to affect them, I think.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm standing here with Alexander Nielsen from NOAH, and they are demonstrating. So, why are you demonstrating?
Well, we think that there has not been taken enough action at this climate conference. So now we are trying to take some action and actually showing what we want. And we really hope the politicians will do something about this now that they can see that we are doing something about this.
Yeah. And do you think it's gonna help?
I really hope it's gonna help because if it's not now, we are gonna make some changes to the climate. I don't know when, and yeah, I really hope it's gonna help.
Okay, thank you.
Satan ihjel.